Welcome to Thinkadium, where curiosity wins.
For the last several years, the artificial intelligence race took place entirely behind a screen, with powerful companies competing to build text-based chatbots. But during the week of July 13, 2026, that digital boundary began to dissolve. The competition has expanded into 5 specific arenas: massive hardware infrastructure, autonomous physical robotics, new government regulations, high-speed cyber warfare, and global geopolitics. Focusing only on what these systems generate on a screen means missing the actual rollout of the technology. The first frontier is defined by the sheer volume of capital moving into the physical hardware required to make modern systems run. Tech companies are currently investing billions of dollars into advanced processing chips and sprawling data centers. Training and running modern AI requires an immense, continuous supply of power and specialized hardware. Because of these massive financial requirements, access to raw computing capacity has become the primary requirement for any company hoping to remain competitive. These server farms provide the processing power necessary to command machines and autonomous systems in the real world. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang is now directing enormous strategic resources toward a specialized class of robotics. Huang defines this field as physical AI, systems built with the specific ability to observe, navigate, and manipulate three-dimensional environments. This transition is already visible in Japan, where factories are confronting severe labor shortages. Unlike older machines that follow fixed instructions, these intelligent robots learn from data to adapt to different situations on the factory floor in real time. This infrastructure boom is the mandatory prerequisite for a new, automated physical workforce. As artificial intelligence begins making autonomous decisions that affect real-world operations, governments are moving to establish new rules. This week, Australia has announced plans to regulate exactly how these systems are utilized within government sectors. The proposed rules focus on 4 specific requirements: strict data privacy, fairness, transparency in how systems reach decisions, and human accountability for the final results. As these tools integrate into critical business and state networks, they become high-value targets for sophisticated cyber attacks. Security experts are currently tracking an emerging threat known as context bombing. In this technique, attackers overwhelm the system with massive amounts of crafted information to manipulate the model's logic. Because these attacks occur at lightning speed, human analysts cannot respond. Defenders now use automated systems to intercept the data, creating an AI versus AI arms race. Traditional human oversight is no longer fast enough to regulate or protect infrastructure that is being controlled by artificial intelligence. Finally, the race extends to the global balance of power. The largest news story of the week comes from China, where Moonshot AI has officially unveiled a massive, highly capable new artificial intelligence model. This release is open source, allowing developers and organizations worldwide to download and adapt the underlying technology for their own projects. By making this tool freely available, the release intensifies international competition across scientific research, advanced automated coding, and the development of autonomous systems. In this environment, the release of an open-source model operates as an aggressive geopolitical maneuver in a rapidly intensifying global race. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a digital novelty. It has become the foundational infrastructure of the global economy, the labor force, and the modern security apparatus. Which of these 5 frontier developments do you believe will have the biggest impact on your future? Let us know in the comments. If you found this breakdown informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more weekly technology updates. Make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss the latest developments in AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.